Hi guys, so I'm going to start making some episodes about being a vlogger on YouTube as to what kind of gear you require. Yeah, we watch other people on there and it's like, hey, it'd be cool if I had some really expensive camera, but is that going to get me more views? So what we're looking for is something kind of like budget that you can use. And it's actually more complicated than you think. So today we're shooting this in 4K on the Panasonic DMZ80, which is a super zoom camera. So this is great for super zoom shots. Of course, it's small, it's compact. You need to really think about where are we going to be using this camera. And if you're a vlogger, you want something, well, me personally, want something that's like super quality, yet I can take it from here, there, X, Y, or Z. So this is just me saying hello, and this is what we're going to do. So we're going to be looking at stuff like running the Hero 4 as your vlogger, an iPhone 6s, an 8. Ooh, see if the new boy is any good in town. We'll also we'll look at running a DJI Osmo, because they're very good for blogging as well. And of course, and I think this one will win if I'm truth be told, the GoPro using the gimbal, because it's just such a good bit of kit in it. As much as it never really took off, it's, I think, personally better than the Osmo. The lens is good, the picture's good, the length's good, it's mobile, but there's no zoom. But are we just talking about vlogging or having a vlogging camera which also works? So there's a bit of an interesting take on things. So I can't obviously shoot them all today, but this has been my mission over the next few days. We're going to put it all together and work out what you really need to buy. Now, I don't unfortunately have a super duper expensive DSLR camera with excellent 4K like some of the experts use, which costs $2,000 or $3,000 or $4 billion. We don't have a Red X fucking zoom super duper camera. So we're going to try and see what we can do with the stuff we can afford, if it's worthy enough to be in our YouTube archive, and if we can make the videos like we want. When you're making videos for YouTube, it is important to use high quality picture, but it's not essential, and we'll go over that as we go along. So, my predictions are... what are my predictions? I think we're going to go for either this, depending on how good this looks. Bear in mind, I can't see what I'm looking at, so I don't know if it's any good. In fact, that's one of the problems that all these cameras face. Because there's no flip zooms in any of them, you're kind of like pointing and shooting and going, I hope that looks good when I finish doing all this shit. I think the GoPro or the DJI Osmo will win as a vlogger. I think this Lumix 4K will be a better camera, but only time will tell. Anyway, thanks for watching the introduction, and stay tuned.